Right, this video is on how to insert documents. So we'll have a look at our pages. Oh, let's get an extra page and we'll get it from there. So I've got somewhere to put it. So we want to insert a document. Wait for that to load. We're going to go insert. Now we can insert from the drive. And so if I take this 2018 planner, I can just can't click and drag, but I can insert like so, and it's in there. PDFs are quite good. If you save as PDF in a document, then it's visible to anyone. So even a Word document or some other weird document can be saved as a PDF, stored on your Google Drive, and then shared on your site. So it really needs to be in the Google Drive. Notice when I click here, I get the upload. Now that upload actually works for images, not particularly well for files. You can give it a shot though. So if we find files. Okay, in order to find this file, I actually needed to change here where it says either images or all files. I needed to change it to all files to see it. So I'm going to try uploading that and see what happens. Okay, and it's not supported. So you actually cannot, when you double click here, you can't upload a file, but you can insert it from Drive. So I'm going to find that same document in my Drive. I can just push search, and it was maybe planner. Oh, it was Trig Pilot, wasn't it? Anyway, we've got those planners there. Let's find the Trig Pilot. Too much Trig here. Would have paid to know where it was or what it was called properly. Okay, it was called Pythag Pilot, not Trig Pilot. Okay, and let's insert that. Now we're going to publish and view. So we can click like so, and it's a pop-up, and then it's downloadable, and that actually has the entire document. And likewise for this one, we can go like that and download it or whatever. So that's how you get documents in there. You can also embed things like slideshows and Google Forms and that sort of thing.